What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform deep research automatically using NotebookLM. So let's get started. NotebookLM is an incredible AI research agent that answers based on the documents you provide right here. So search for NotebookLM, and then now to perform deep research using NotebookLM, just click on try NotebookLM right here. And here, we're going to start by creating a new notebook over here. So I click on create a new notebook, and then here we're going to add our sources. So here you can choose to search the web for sources or upload research documents from your Google Drive. So you can upload a Google Docs file, a PDF, Word document, or more, or you can choose to perform a web search for sources. So if you like to upload your files, you can upload the files right here. You can also search for the website right here by pasting the links or YouTube URLs, or paste a copied text right here. I like to perform a web search. Here we're going to add a topic, for example, topic right here like AI in marketing. Then perform a web search. To do that, I'll click over here. You can see it's researching websites related to a topic right here. Let's give it a minute. So here you can see it found websites talking about our topic. So here I'll import all the sources here. So here you can see it successfully imported our sources right here. So here we're going to rename our notebook to AI in marketing notebook. And then here it's performing our research. Let's give it a minute for it to complete performing the research for us. So here you can see it successfully performed the research for us. We can choose to chat with the sources. So here we can ask it, how do AI tools help small businesses save time and grow? And here you can see it's digging into the details, give us an output of our question right here. This is incredible. So here you can see it did research on how AI tools are helping small businesses save time and grow. And you can see it's also including citations right here. So this one it got from this website right here. This one it got from HubSpot here. This is incredible. You can choose to continue chatting with it. How do I ensure my AI generated content stays on brand? So we can ask it this question. So here you can see perform the research on our query, give us this output over here. This is amazing. So you can continue chatting with the sources and saving the notes if you're pleased with the notes. This is incredible here. So lastly, here we can ask it, can you draft a slide deck for my branding team? And it will begin the process of generating the slide deck for you. As you can see over here, it's generating the slide deck for us. As you can see over here, let's give it a minute for it to complete generating our slide deck for us. Here you can see it successfully generated our slide deck for us over here. So let's preview the slide deck. The slide decks that it generated for us over here after we told it to draft a slide deck for my branding team over here. This is incredible. So here you can see the well-designed, beautiful looking slide decks that it generated for us over here. This is incredible. Now, besides outputting our research as a slide deck. You can output the research as an audio file. You can generate an AI podcast based on your sources. You can also generate and explain a video of your output presented to you by AI by clicking over here. Then here you can choose the visual style, the language, and what the AI should focus on. And then click on generate to generate and explain a video of your research output. You can also do a mind map. So here, if we wanted to generate a mind map of our research, we can select over here and you can see it's generating our mind map right here, and it successfully generated our mind map over here. As you can see over here, AI marketing tools for small businesses 2026 guide here, and here you can cover these topics. So core technologies, top AI marketing tools, key marketing applications, ethical and regulatory considerations, and strategic implementation. So besides mind map, you can generate reports over here. So you can create a report of your research outputs over here. So it's loading suggestions. Just give it a second. So here you can see the suggestions right here. Here you can describe the report you want to create, and then here click on generate to generate our reports. So yeah, let's give it a minute for you to generate our reports for us. Here you can see it successfully generated our report for us over here. Look at this comprehensive report that it generated for us over here. This is incredible. So besides outputting our research as a report, you can also create a flashcard. So you can generate flashcards based on your sources right here. So let's give it a second for it to complete generating our flashcards for us from our sources that give us these outputs. So here you can see it successfully generated our flashcards for us over here. Let's preview the flashcards. So here you can see the 65 cards that it generated for us over here. This is incredible. This is awesome. So besides outputting our research as a flashcard, you can do a quiz. So here it's going to generate a quiz based on our sources. So here you can see it successfully generated for us our quiz right here. So here you can see the first question right here with the answers. You can also check out the hints. Then go to the next question right here. So it's a question and answer with a hint over here. You have to just choose the right answer over here. Click on next. For example, what factors make 2026 a tipping point for AI search adaptation according to industry reports? You can choose any of these answers over here. Choose any answer over here. Go to the next question. It will complete all the questions right here. This is awesome. So now, besides all these other options, you can choose to generate an infographic as output. Just give it a minute for you to generate an infographic of output. Here. Successfully generated our infographic for us over here. So let us open and preview the infographic. Beautiful looking infographic that is generated for us over here from our topic, which was AI in marketing. So it generated our infographic. We previously generated the slide deck. The last one is the data table. So we can generate a data table to output our research. Here you can see generated for us our data table over here. This is amazing. Look at that. This is amazing. So these are the different ways you can output our research after we've generated it using Notebook. So you can output an audio overview, video overview, mind map, report, flashcard, quiz, infographic, a slide deck, or data in a table. So we can try performing a deep research on a different topic using Notebook. So to do that, we're going to start by creating a new notebook over here. Here, you can choose to upload files from our computer, paste links from websites or YouTube, upload documents from Google Drive, or paste, copy the text right here. But since we'd like to perform a web search, here we're going to add a topic, for example, lead generation techniques. You can either choose to perform a fast research or a deep research. Here we're going to choose deep research this time around, and here we're going to hit send. And you can see it's going to start by planning for us over here since we chose deep research. So let's give it a minute or two for it to generate for us our sources from our topic right here. Here you can see it completed performing a deep research on our topic, and we got a total of 20 sources right here. So here we're going to import all of our sources. So here you can see we successfully imported our sources over here, and here it generated our research over here. So here we can start by renaming our notebook to lead generation techniques notebook. So from all our sources right here, it generated for us these outputs. You can chart with the sources here. For example, you can ask it, how can I combine inbound and outbound strategies for growth? And here you can see it's generating for us our research over here from our sources. This is incredible. So if you like any of these notes, you can save them right here. You can see we save the note right here. And continue chatting with the sources. So you can ask it, how can I implement the inbound fed outbound capture technique? And here you can see generated for us our response over here. So we generated these incredible outputs over here with the citations over here. So we can confirm the citations and the sources. For example, this one right here, you can see it came from this source. This is incredible. So now after you've generated, after chatting with the sources and you'd like to output, for example, these research, you can choose to either output the research as an audio file, video file, a mind map, report, flashcard, a quiz, infographic, a slide deck, or a data table. So we can try with a mind map. So you can see it's generating a mind map of our output over here. So here you can see the mind map that is generated for us over here. This is incredible. So you can choose to download it to your computer, maybe share it with your team. This is incredible. So now besides the mind map, you can also choose to generate reports based on your sources, flashcard, quiz, and infographic. So here, so you can see it's generating our infographic for research we performed right here on our sources. Let's give it a minute or two for it to complete generating our infographic right here. So here you can see it successfully generated our infographic from our research that he did over here. So let's open the infographic to preview it. This is incredible. So here you can see the precise infographic that is generated from our topic, which was lead generation techniques right here. This is amazing. So all you have to do here is you can choose to download the infographic to your computer and share it with your team or share it via social media right here. So we can also choose to output our research as a slide deck. So to do that, I'll click on the slide deck option right here, and it's going to begin generating our slide deck. So here it will output our research as a slide deck. So let's give it a minute or two for it to complete generating our slide deck for us right here. Here you can see it successfully generated for us our slide decks over here. So here we can preview the slide decks that it generated for us over here. One more topic. This is incredible. Here. This is amazing. So to download the slide decks, just click on the three dots right here. You can either choose to download the slide decks either as a PDF document or as a PowerPoint document right here. So you can try previewing the slide decks. So we can choose to revise the slide decks. So here you can see the slide decks that it generated for us over here. This is incredible. Here. So here you can choose to make edits to slide decks over here. So we can start with the slide number 1. So here inside we can change it. We can tell it to change the year to 2026. And here I'm going to click on generate new deck. You can see it's generating our slide deck revision. So here you can see it's successfully generated for us one new slide deck. So we can revise it right here. You can see it changed the year to 2026. You can continue making changes to each and every single slide that is generated for you over here. You can change the title, the text, the image, each and every single slide right here that is generated for us over here. This is incredible right here. This is incredible. So that is how you can use NotebookLM to perform research and output your research as either an audio file, video file, mind map, report, flashcard, quiz, infographic, a slide deck, or a data table. If you need help automating a task in your business, use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how you can automate the task. Then I'll proceed and automate the task for you. But if you enjoyed this video, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.